disenyo.
Ay, back to back ka ba yun?
Birthday na ni Mika! Birthday na ni Mika! Okay. Salamat, Ate Tere. We out. Goodbye, Clavano Street. Mga kargador lang. Okay ka pa ba dyan, sis?
Okay pa, sis.
Laban, sis, ah.
Amen!
Hey guys, so kamusta tayong lahat? Today is July 28, 2021. Ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, parang hindi nyo nakikita. Pero ayan, medyo nakikita nyo. Ayan, July 28 po ngayon. And I'm heading out because I need to buy balikbayan boxes for my things dito sa apartment. Kasi yes, lilipat po tayo ng apartment, guys. Actually kasi dito na apartment, yung nirerentahan ko lang is room. So, the reason why I am moving out together with my close friend, si Ate Yon, gusto naming mas makagalaw kami. So, we thought of renting a new house na lang na, alam niyo yung parang amin talaga. Tapos maghahati-hati na lang kami sa mga bayarin, sa apartment. That's why we decided to rent a house. A 3-bedroom house. And with us will be Daspol and Rofi. So, ayan. So, now, Paco will be with me. We are heading to SM City Cebu to buy some stuff na kailangan namin. And I am also buying something like balloons and cake for Kael because it will be his birthday tomorrow, July 29. Tas iso-surprise kasi namin siya mamayang alas 12 ng madaling araw. So, ayan. Let's go! Ayan, nakabili na kami ng balikbayan box. So, ayan guys, we are done buying balloons and mga balikbayan boxes for the transfer. So, ayan, green yung binili namin kasi green yung favorite color ni Mikael. So, nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Home Bakers. Kasi nasa SM na kami kanina pero nakalimutan namin bumili ng cake. But anyway, kasalanan ko. So, we're here to buy a cake for kami kanina. Okay. Na may green? Ay, lang ba tayong kandila? Naraman ko yung kandila. Salam. Okay. This is mine. Power home. And we got something from Lovely Cosmetics. Wow! Thank you, Lovely Cosmetics. I love your products. Salamat kayo sa cake.
Birthday na ni Mika! Birthday na ni Mika! Birthday na ni Mika! Birthday na ni Mika! Get out! Happy birthday, sex bomb Mika!
Sariling sikap sa kanyang disenyo. Decorations din. Happy birthday. Tahi pa na ni mo, Mika.
Ay, back to back ka ba yun?
Ayan, tas may samgyup. Artista yung may birthday, guys. Oh, pak! 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 4, 8! 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Birthday girl featuring Last Fall. Daming food!
Ay, lahat!
Birthday na ni Mika! Birthday na ni Mika! Birthday na the emotional birthday celebrant. Nananilak man kami ka. Okay. Hello. Ano ka? Oh, we love you, Miki. Mika Bells. Oh. Hey guys, so today is July 30 at magpapak ako ng mga gamit. Kailangan na ako ipaktanan because by tomorrow, mag-focus ka muna. By tomorrow, mag-out of town kasi kami ni Paco. So, I have to prepare everything ngayon. Today is Friday and tomorrow, yun nga, mag-out of town kami at uwi kami pabalik dito sa city on Sunday na. Tapos Sunday din kami mag-move out. Yun yung scheduled move out namin sa apartment na to. Tapos moving kami sa new apartment. So, I have to prepare everything tonight bago kami bumiyahe bukas. So, ayun, samahan niyo ako today. Paco is here to help me with everything. Say hi, Nir. Hello guys, so I'm home dito sa aking apartment and as you can see, hindi pa ako tapos mag-pack. Kasi kagagaling namin ng Savoy Hotel and ano oras na ba? 11, I think. What time is it? 11 a.m. na at 1 p.m. darating yung truck namin na magkakarga ng lahat ng mga gamit namin ni Ate Yon papunta sa bagong apartment. So, I still have time to pack all these things. Let's go. Girl, maligo ka na, girl. So, ito na yung mga gamit, guys. Yung iba kasi, aalsahin na lang. Alsahin! Bubuhatin na lang. Itong mirror, itong printer ko, tas itong desk. Ito, nag-prepare ako ng isang bigas, brown rice yan, tapos tubig. Ito, pupunuin namin ng asukal tsaka asin. Bibili lang kami sa labas mamaya. So, ito guys, itong apat na to, pamahiin to para good luck yung bagong bahay. Ito yung unang ipapasok namin sa bahay bago yung mga gamit namin. So, dapat puno to ng asin, tas puno ng asukal. Tas, ayan, bigas tsaka tubig. Wala namang masama kung ano, diba? Kung susunod tayo sa mga pamahiin. Yung lunch namin is chicken Nashville sandwich from Don John's. Tas, garlic parmesan na chicken wings. Na may besh. Ate! Salamat, Ate Tere.
Ayo, Miss Vlogger.
We out. Goodbye, Clavano Street. Bye, room. Bye, Ate Tere. Mga kargador na. Okay ka pa ba dyan, sis?
Okay pa, sis.
Laban, sis, ah.